I dropped the car on the front part. The bumper was bent in the shape of this block on the floor. The front part was quite strong. It held the blow well. From the side, you can see that the geometry of the body is broken. The threshold at the front door is bent. The door opened a little, and the camera in the cabin flew off. It's not so bad. The trunk was damaged and the roof was slightly bent from the fall. There is such a good deal of damage. The car fell at an angle directly on the wheel. That is why the inertia went further into the interior, and it was bent so much. The roof at the same time was risen up. I think that it turned out to be quite realistic. What do you think? Write about it in the comments. Apparently, because of the weak design of the bottom and roof, it bent so easily. Besides, it's quite warm in the room, so the plasticine clay has become softer. The engine is without serious damage. It only tightly clamped. I couldn't drop it off on the back part. It fell sideways right on the door. Even this block print on the door is noticeable. The rear fender was also hit, and it was also slightly damaged. It turns out to be quite horrible. The car is already broken. Once again, I will try to drop it on the back part, only more evenly. Wow! Now it's completely destroyed. It fell on the back and the force of the impact bent the roof and went all in the cabin. As for such a large scale, the plasticine deforms quite well. It's really similar to the real damage. Since the whole machine is made of plasticine, I can just break it in my hands and crush it like baking dough. I had no intention to keep it further because it's all gray. I just want to show you that it can also be done this way. It was an experiment, the first car on such a large scale. The damage was realistic. I enjoyed the process of its destruction. If you like the car on such a large scale, write comments so that I would know that you are interested in it. Now I'm going to show you the creation of this Lexus step by step. I will hone my craft to please you with the new improved plasticine cars. I hope it was very interesting for you to watch the creation of such a car made of plasticine. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. See you!